Sabrina, I'm excited to check out your next listing. It's in a great neighborhood, nearby all the amenities. We have a set of buyers. Their checklist is very particular. Will this house pass the test?
I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Okay, let's check it out. Okay, Sabrina, the first thing on our buyer's checklist is they prefer no carpet on the main floor and no builder basic backsplash.
Are you kidding? Check out this place. It's amazing. You've got granite countertops, amazing modern floors, tons of cabinets. This definitely is not basic builder grade stuff.
Excellent. There's more on this checklist. Can we check out the living room?
You betcha.
Okay, Sabrina, the next thing on our buyer's checklist is they absolutely despise closed, tight spaces. What are we talking here?
I mean, I get that, but check this space out. You've got an open concept living and dining space, great for entertaining, these huge windows letting in a ton of natural light, a massive wall for that big TV that everyone loves so much.
This is great. You're absolutely right. The next thing, bedrooms.
I don't think you'll be disappointed. Let's go check them out.
All right, the next thing on the buyer's checklist is they need 3 generously sized rooms, all getting plenty of sunlight. Please tell me you have them, Sabrina.
Of course it does. This place is incredible. You've got a spacious primary bedroom, an amazing 4-piece bathroom with a glass walk-in shower, and a to die for walk-in closet. You can't beat this place, really.
That's awesome. And it has second floor laundry. Woo! Bonus item on the checklist, is there a space to be fun and creative?
Of course there is. Has this place let you down yet? If you think that's amazing, wait till we check out outside.
And the last thing on this list, a backyard great for entertaining.
Well, it definitely has that. I think anybody who sees this place is really gonna like it. Do you think it checked off all your clients' boxes?
It did, yes. And it's gonna pass yours as well. If you have any other questions about this property, please give our team a shout at any time.